Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to connect your Payoneer account to Freelancer. Linking Payoneer makes withdrawing your earnings fast, secure, and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, log into your Freelancer account on your browser or the app. Next, go to your profile and select payment methods or withdraw funds. Then, choose Payoneer from the list of available payment options. You'll be redirected to the Payoneer login page. Log in with your credentials to authorize the connection. Once logged in, confirm your account details and follow the prompts to link Payoneer to Freelancer. After successfully linking, you can now withdraw your earnings directly to your Payoneer account. Always double-check that the account information is correct to avoid delays. That's it. Your Payoneer account is now connected to Freelancer, making payments and withdrawals simple and secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.